Today I am going to teach you a calendar in Outlook, Microsoft Outlook, which is in your course, that how to handle the appointment, meeting, task, notes and types of calendar. Here the menu is given: mail, then calendar, then contact. The different things are given here. You have to find out how to operate all these facilities. Today I am teaching you a calendar in which you get the three types of calendar: day, week and month. When you press the day calendar, you will get information for that. I have opened the folder Ratan, in which I have created a calendar in which I have made a content which I have to taught you. The first is emailing, messaging, then schedule an appointment, then categorize an appointment, then share a calendar, then print a calendar, creating a meeting request, respond to meeting request, create and edit a task, create and edit a note, create and edit a general entry. Now, the email, for email messaging, it is necessary you know the email of your person to whom you are going to mailing the calendar or giving the mail, giving the information regarding to all these things. So, how to create? You just here type the information, then you will get this is the time, which tell you that this is telling that your time you do this. I snooze this. Here you can add anything or edit anything. Okay. So now in week you get all this information, because all these topics cannot be covered in a day. And then the month calendar, in which it is showing that it is started in 12th and trying to finish it till the 19th of May. Then there is a facility low, medium or high type of calendar facility, which I will tell you later, because for that you have to make address book or contact from which you can send the information. Here new means new appointment. Here edit, if you want to edit it, then edit the calendar. Sunday, view the calendar, day calendar. Close this one and get the calendar file, go to action, go to calendar. Which calendar you want in folder? There is a Ratan, in which you will get the calendar. Here I will make again for you. And it will tell you in which time you want to do. So snooze it. So before all these things, I have to make a address book. So click here to add new address. Suppose I want to write should be in capital. I have just typed it. I am now searching it. Get one by one. Here I want to add any photo. So I have no photo of that person. So take anyone. Suppose I have taken this one and email. This way you can make your iCard also, and here the details. You can see department, profession, and so many things which you can give. And then all fields. These are user defined fields. Then details. Then save it. Then information will be saved. Suppose you want a category, then give category. Suppose I give another one. For that you have to select here. Suppose I want to give blue, then it will become blue. This way you add your information in address. Then file is the same as all software. New, open, close, save as attachment. Then you send the email someone, then you require it, then you have to create a folder in which you want to save your information. Data file management. When you make a data, then I will tell you how to manage the data. Then these data you can import or export. Then archive means you are accessing something. Then page setup, several times told you. Page setup means which type of a style, table style, or here I am using table style because this is the table style because the data have so many fields. And then memo style means a text style which you can save in Notepad or Word. Then print preview, then it will show your data. Even you can print this data. Then file exit. Print, you can print data and file exit. Today I have told you how many types of calendar and how to create the address book. And the first menu is file, where you can import or export your data somewhere else. And so today I am finishing it, and next turn I will tell you something else. Here this is the categorize, follow up that person, then address book, then private or public. Spelling check कर सकते हो. This way you can make data. So today I am closing it because it is a new concept.